Well, yes, the reported numbers from Tata Power so far do look better than expectation because the company reported a revenue of over 11,000 crores. We were expecting a number of around 9,500 crores, and that too was a jump of around 25%. This time around, we were expecting that inorganic growth on account of Odisha, discom as well as the solar EPC business will drive performance, but it does look like even if you strip away the one-offs, the company has reported a decent top-line growth. In terms of the EBITDA, the expectation was that there will be a margin crunch, and that is exactly what has played out because the raw material prices had inched higher, and that is something that is reflecting in the numbers as well. The profit performance of over 500 crores is a material beat versus our expectation of around 460 crores. We will have to watch out for management commentary whether there was any one-off or any dividend income that they anticipated in this quarter and whether that is reflecting in the other income or not. But apart from that, in terms of the other internals, the management talks about how it's the 9th consecutive quarter of a strong performance coming by. They continue to talk about they'll continue to talk about the focus on the key growth areas going forward, which is renewables, distribution, and new business for them. They do talk about utilizing technology going forward. Even though there is no clear commentary coming as far as the EV charging stations and timeline is concerned, they do talk about the updates in terms of the partnerships with a couple of companies. On solar rooftop, they talk about how the order book has crossed 1,000 crore mark now with 375 crore worth of order inflows in Q3 itself. As far as the renewable business is concerned, the profit for that segment has jumped up by 107% this particular quarter. Now, in terms of the other internals, the profit growth was led by the strong performance in its JV coal business because there the profit has jumped up to 623 crores and that compares to 23 crores last year. Mundra, on the other hand, has seen losses widening this quarter to 458 crores versus 95 crores that we saw last year. On a standalone basis, the profit for the Mithon business has actually declined to 32 crores versus 64 crores and the solar EPC profit has increased to 80 crores versus 31 crores year on year, and even on a net debt basis, the net debt stands at 39,500 crores. Over the last 12 months, we have seen the story play out for Tata Power in terms of the debt reduction and focus on the renewable business, and that continues to be on the positive side. However, we will wait for more commentary from the management at the conference call later today.